Slow drains causing urine backup and stubborn odors? That's a sign of uric acid buildup trapping bacteria and foul smells. You need Crete, heavy-duty urinal descaler. No scrubbing, no tools, just pour 16 ounces directly into the urinal. Let it sit overnight for 12 hours while it breaks down the buildup. Crete works by reacting with calcium, breaking down tough buildup like uric salt, minerals, and rust for a hassle-free clean. Flush in the morning, and that's it. Crete restores drains to full diameter, prevents future clogs, allowing for proper water flow, and stops any foul odors at the source, resulting in a fresh-smelling environment. Crete is also fume-free and safe for any frequently trafficked areas, from schools to restaurants and gyms to offices. Crete is trusted by maintenance professionals in all commercial facilities. Save time and money. No more costly plumbing repairs or service hassles. Smooth flowing drains. No more backups or odors. With Crete, heavy-duty urinal descaler.